What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how I make vanilla extract at home. Making it at home costs about half as much as when you buy it at the store, and it tastes 10 times better than anything you'll ever get at the store. Plus, you get to choose what alcohol you use when making it. You only need 2 ingredients. You need your vanilla beans, and you need some kind of alcohol that's at least 35% alcohol by volume. I'm using Maker's Mark and Bacardi. Okay, so we've got our vanilla beans here for our first bottle. All we're going to do is we're going to take each bean one at a time. We're going to slice them down the middle lengthwise, just like that. So now we've got all of our vanilla bean pods here split down the middle. You've got all your vanilla beans exposed. They're all down inside of here. The next step is going to be to cut these to length. You're looking to cut them so that they could all lie in the bottom of whatever alcohol bottle that you're using, so that as you use your vanilla extract, you don't have a bunch of beans sticking out of the top. This was the first time I ever made it, and you can see I've got a lot of these beans sticking out of the top, which means they're not soaking in the remaining fluid and it's not continuing to extract the vanilla flavor. All right, and so we're just gonna do the rum now. Except I've run into a problem. You see, the bottle is full, and I've got all of these beans that need to go in there, so. We'll just pretend like that was never in there. Still too full. Then all you do is you pop the lid on, give it a good shake. Shake it real good. There you go. That's how I make my homemade vanilla extract. The last step, write the date on the side of the bottle, stick it in the cabinet, and let it age for 6 months minimum. You're gonna wanna shake it once a month, and yeah, then you'll have the best vanilla extract you ever had. If you wanna buy the vanilla beans and make this for yourself, the link is in my bio where you can buy them bulk. Y'all didn't really think I was gonna drink that rum straight, did you? I mean, I'm not a pirate.